Welcome to GoLogica. Today we are going to discuss on AI versus data science, a complete guide. AI or artificial intelligence and data science are the two transformative technologies of the current generation. From healthcare to finance, both are bringing several innovative aspects across several industries. AI and data science have altered the way of analyzing data and taking decisions. Though they are almost similar domains, they differ in several aspects, such as methodologies, applications, and objectives. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a simulation of human intelligence in machines. It enables the machines to be programmed to think, learn, and make decisions. AI has several aspects. Deep learning. It is a subset of ML, focuses on neural networks with several layers for managing complex and large datasets. Computer vision. This allows machines to interpret and make decisions depending on visual data. Machine learning. It enables the machines to learn data without explicit programming. NLP, natural language processing. It allows for a human like intervention between speech or text and machines. Artificial intelligence applications. Healthcare. AI transforms healthcare to a great extent. It enables advanced medical imaging analysis, personalized medicine, and predictive analytics. Marketing. Artificial intelligence changes the marketing techniques by enabling customer segmentation, advertising, and predictive analysis. Cybersecurity. AI, when combined with cybersecurity, detects threats and anomalies and enables automated incident response. Finance. In the financial sector, AI is useful in various areas such as fraud detection, algorithmic trading, and risk management. Manufacturing. AI improves the manufacturing process through deploying quality control, predictive maintenance, and supply chain optimization. Customer service. AI plays a vital role in enhancing customer service using chatbots and virtual assistants. These tools provide personalized customer support 24/7. Autonomous vehicles. AI is contributing a lot to the automobile industry. It helps in developing autonomous vehicles which can identify obstacles, navigate roads, and make efficient automatic driving decisions. What is data science? It is the area of extracting meaningful knowledge and insights from data via machine learning, computational techniques, and statistical methods. Data science focuses on knowing data trends and developing models to interpret complex details. Data science has several aspects: data collection, data cleaning, statistical analysis, visualization. Data collection, the process of collecting structured and unstructured data from various sources. Data cleaning, the process prepares data for analysis by removing errors and inconsistencies. Statistical analysis, it derives insights with the help of statistical tools. Visualization, the process communicates findings through dashboards and graphs effectively. Next is data science applications. Healthcare. In the healthcare sector, data science is used for disease diagnosis, predictive analysis, and customized treatment plans. Data science analysis medical imaging data, electronic health records, and genomic data. Transportation. Data science is used in several aspects of transportation, such as traffic management, predictive maintenance, and route optimization. It has the efficiency to analyze data from traffic cameras, GPS devices, and vehicle sensors. Manufacturing. Data science is applied in manufacturing industries to check quality, predict maintenance, and optimize the supply chain. Business analytics. Data science is used in business analytics to a great extent. It actually analyzes customer behavior, sales forecast, and market trends. Energy. Data science is used in demand response optimization, energy forecasting, and grid management. Moreover, it can be used to analyze energy consumption data, market trends, and weather patterns. Marketing. Data science has a significant role in marketing field. It helps in targeted advertising, sentiment analysis, and customer segmentation, and analyzes customer purchase history, demographics, and online behavior. Finance. Data science is applied in several areas such as fraud detection, risk assessment, and algorithmic trading. Data science analyzes customer transaction patterns and analyzes historical market data and credit risk factors. Major differences between AI and data science under various aspects. Objective of data science is to extract patterns and insights from data, but The objective of artificial intelligence is to develop intelligent systems which mimic human behavior. The techniques used in data science are statistics, data visualization, and data mining. And in artificial intelligence, the techniques are deep learning, computer vision, ML, and NLP. Tools used in data science are Tableau, R, SQL, and Python. And in artificial intelligence, the tools used are TensorFlow, OpenCV, and PyTorch. Output in data science are reports, insights, and predictive models. And in artificial intelligence, the outputs are autonomous systems and decision making models. The skill set required for data science is statistical analysis and data engineering, whereas in artificial intelligence, the skill set is programming, algorithms, and AI frameworks. Now, let's check out where this both sector overlap. AI and data science are connected to each other. They actually both complement each other in solving difficult problems. Some examples are personalization engines. Data science extracts user preferences while AI adapts recommendations. Predictive analytics. AI algorithms improve predictions while data science extracts user preference. Healthcare diagnostics. Data science processes medical data while AI detects anomalies or diagnoses condition. Future trends in AI and data science. AI and data science, both these fields have a promising future. Some specific future trends are explainable AI, understandable and transparent AI systems, augmented analytics, AI powered automation in making data and generating insights, AI democratization, tools and platforms accessible for developers, real time data processing, improved data analysis capabilities with edge computing. Choosing the right path. AI versus data science. What to choose, AI or data science? This is quite a tough job. It depends on your career goals and interest. When it comes to selecting AI or data science, here are some things for your considerations. Select data science if you are working in marketing, healthcare, or finance sectors, analyzing and interpreting data to find actionable insights, using statistical tools for foreseeing patterns and trends. Select artificial intelligence if you are working on advanced technologies. This includes self driving cars and robotics, developing smart systems which simulate human intelligence, solving problems using advanced algorithms. Career opportunities in AI and data science. Today, the market is evolving and competitive. Both AI and data science sectors offer several career opportunities today. Some of the most demanded roles are when it comes to data science, the roles are data scientist, data analyst, business intelligence analyst, and data engineer. And in artificial intelligence, the roles are machine learning engineer, AI research scientist, robotics engineer, and NLP specialist. Now, let's check out the skills required for artificial intelligence and data science. AI and data science experts require specific unique skill sets. It includes data science, experience in data visualization tools such as Power BI, Tableau, etc. They should have data storytelling and communication skills. They must have strong knowledge of mathematics and statistics for competence in database management and SQL. And when it comes to AI experts, they must have a strong understanding of AI and bias mitigation. They have a strong understanding of R, Python, or Java. They should have experience in deep learning frameworks and neural networks. And also, they must know about algorithms and optimization techniques. So, are you excited to learn artificial intelligence and data science? Why wait? Join us. GoLogica helps you learn AI and data science in detail. We have a pool of expert trainers with years of experience in guiding people on what is AI and data science and how to leverage them. We also offer AI and data science certifications training led by expert trainers to develop your skills in these fields. Moreover, we offer study material to all our students. You can call our experts on the given number or visit www.gologica.com. Thank you.